Hi, I'm Danny. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to do an oil change on a 2022 Toyota Corolla. This is my daughter's car. We'll check it out. We'll see what else it needs. Let's get started. I always like to use a factory oil filter. They just work better. And then we're going to use the Valvoline 0W16. That's what the car calls for, so that's what it gets. And we're doing the full synthetic. The Corolla is a pretty easy car to do an oil change on. This cover needs to come off. These are 10mm bolts, and there's 4 of them. The cover comes down. It reveals the drain plug, and then here's the oil filter. Next, go ahead and slide your drain bucket underneath. You're going to need a 14mm wrench. And this is the passenger side over here, and over there is the driver's side. So you want to put the wrench on the bolt and then push it towards the rear of the vehicle, just like that. Get your hand, loosen it up, and the oil could be hot, so be careful. And you know, a lot of times I wear gloves. I'm not wearing gloves today. There it is. So just let that drain. The washer is still stuck up here. It's not on the drain plug, but you're going to need a washer. I'm going to reuse my old one. Next time I'll get a new one. While the oil's draining, I'm going to use an oil filter wrench to remove the oil filter. So you just put it on here. You're just going to go towards the front of the car this time. And it shouldn't be on there real tight. I'll show you how tight it needs to be when I put the new one on. But now I'm just gonna undo the oil filter. And I changed this last time, so it's a factory oil filter. It's always had factory oil filters on this. Now let's go prepare the new oil filter. Some people like to pre-fill their oil filter. I really don't think it makes any difference at all, but I'm actually gonna do it. So to pre-fill it, you just want to add some oil inside here. And that's it. So pretty simple to do. You don't want to put too much in there, otherwise when you turn it sideways, it's just going to all drain out anyway. So now we're ready to put the oil filter back on. Now you want to clean the housing. Just make sure it's clean and the gasket from the old filter isn't stuck on there. So I usually check the old filter to make sure that rubber O-ring is on here, because that's a big problem if you double gasket it, they call it. So now we can just get our new filter and slide it on there. Don't strip it or anything like that. It'll go on really, really easy. So how you want to do this is you just want to seat it when the gasket starts touching, and that's about right there. And then you want to do a 3/4 of a turn to tighten it. So just a little bit more. So basically it's tight, but it's not too tight. It's not going to fall off right there. So now we install the drain plug. Let's wipe it down one time. So the washer is right here, still stuck on there. I'm not going to peel it off because I think I'll damage it if I pull it off. So we're just going to bring this one up. And again, this should just screw in by hand. Don't cross thread it. And they're calling for 30 foot-pounds. So this is here, let me flip it around. Ampuds. So I've got a full video on this one. I've been using this for a while. It's up to the task. So let's go 30 Here we go, 30 foot-pounds. And from here, we'll fill it up, start it, and check it for leaks. Get yourself a good funnel and make sure it's clean. And put it right here. And this is going to take pretty much the whole bottle. It takes 4.9 quarts. So, and this is where you want to be careful too. So make sure the funnel's in good. And let's get it going here. And you want to go nice and slow. If you go too fast, you might spill oil when it builds up in the valve cover. So take your time. Just make sure it doesn't start overflowing. But it's pretty much going to take the whole 5 quarts here. 4.9 quarts is what the book calls. So that's basically 4.9 quarts right now. All right, let's put that out. Let's get our cap back on. So I'm going to start the vehicle. It's on an incline right now. So all I'm looking for right now as I start it, I just want to make sure there's no leaks from underneath. We got oil pressure, the light went out. Everything looks good here. Let's go check underneath. So I'm looking underneath here. I see no crazy oil leaks. Drain plug looks good. And the oil filter looks good. So I can buckle up this cover and call it a done job. Let's go ahead and tighten it up. Now these are the ramps I used, and we're just going to back off very slowly. And then we'll check our oil again on a level ground. That should do it. And here we're just going to do a final check of the oil. Pull it, wipe off the dipstick. Stick it, bring it up. It's perfect. It's right here. All right, so to reset the light, you need to navigate yourself to the vehicle settings. Then you go to scheduled maintenance. And it says reset data. Just say yes. Reset's complete.